Hello, everyone, and a huge, energetic welcome back to our channel, where we make speaking English fun, easy, and life-changing. I'm your excited guide today.
Woo woo! Hello, Jenny. Hello, all you awesome listeners ready to level up. It's Sam here, pumped and ready. Hi, Jenny. How's your energy today? Feeling like a superstar?
Hi, Sam. I'm on fire, full power mode. And you? You look like you woke up ready to conquer the day.
Almost, Jenny. My alarm screamed at me this morning like, "Get up, lazy bones!" But yes, full energy now. Our topic today is super useful. My daily routine. Talking about what you do every single day, including free time and fun with friends.
Yes, Sam. This is one of the most common conversations in English. Job interviews, making new friends, family calls, even casual chats. What does your day look like? What do you do in your free time? Today, we'll make it easy, funny, and motivating. You can do this.
Absolutely, Jenny. But first, smash that subscribe button if you're joining the revolution. Hit like, share with friends who need English confidence. Your share changes lives.
Yes, let's start from morning, Sam. Wake up time?
Okay, Jenny, let's dive in. I usually wake up at 7 a.m., but honestly, alarm is 6:45 and I hit snooze 3 times.
Haha, Sam. Snooze button is everyone's best friend and worst enemy. Snooze means press to get 5 to 10 more minutes sleep. Like, just 5 more minutes, please.
Exactly, Jenny. Finally get up around 7:15, feeling like a zombie. Brush teeth, wash face, quick shower to wake up properly.
Good. Take a shower or have a shower, both fine. Example, cold shower makes me super alert. Alert equals awake and full of energy.
Yes. After shower, get dressed, jeans, t-shirt, then breakfast, coffee, and toast with eggs. What about your morning, Jenny?
Similar but different, Sam. Wake up at 6:30 a.m., no snooze. Jump out like, new day, let's crush it. First, make my bed. Tidy room starts with tidy bed.
Make the bed. Wow, Jenny, disciplined. My bed looks like a war zone sometimes.
Haha, Sam. War zone bed. Funny. Make the bed. Arrange sheets and pillows neatly. Takes 1 minute, feels great. Then I stretching or quick yoga. 10 minutes to make me feel strong.
Yoga? Cool, Jenny. I need to try. After breakfast, what do you do?
I check phone, messages, news, leave home at 8 a.m. for cafe or blog work, walk or bus. Sam, what do you do?
I drive to coaching place around 8:30. Traffic crazy sometimes. Arrive, check emails, session start, teaching English like this.
Love it, Sam. Morning done. Now, afternoon, lunchtime.
Around 1 p.m., Jenny. Bring rice, veggies, chicken, or sometimes pizza. Guilty pleasure.
Pizza. Sam, once a week, okay. Guilty pleasure equals fun but not super healthy. Example, ice cream is my guilty pleasure. Love it, feel bad later.
Exactly. After lunch, short walk. 10 minutes to digest food. Digest means body processes food. Then back to work.
Nice. My lunch around 1:30. Dal, rice, or salad. Then blog or read. Sometimes post-lunch dip, sleepy.
Post-lunch dip. Jenny, yes, energy drops. Dip means low point. I drink water or coffee to fight it.
Smart, Sam. Now the fun part. Free time after work. What do you do to relax and have fun?
Free time is the best, Jenny. I finish work around 6 p.m., go home, relax a bit, watch funny videos, or play with Echo, my parrot. He says, hello. Sometimes I hang out with friends. We meet up, play games, or just chill and talk nonsense.
Hang out. Great phrase, Sam. Hang out means spend casual time with friends. No big plan. Example, I love to hang out with my friends at the park. We laugh a lot. Like having fun, teasing each other.
Yes, Jenny, full fun, crazy jokes, no seriousness. Last week, we went for street food, French fries, burger. We were laughing so hard, people stared. Or we play football in the park, running, shouting, total funny.
Haha, sounds amazing, Sam. Street food fun is the best. Chow down means eat a lot happily. Example, we chow down on snacks and talk for hours. I do similar, painting or reading in free time, but with friends, we go window shopping or catch a movie. Window shopping means looking at shops without buying, just for fun.
Window shopping. I do that too. Sometimes end up buying ice cream anyway. And weekends, more time for fun. Wake up late, no alarm, long bike ride with friends, or just chill at home playing video games.
Fun, relax completely, love that. My weekends, morning hike for fresh air, evening movie night with family or friends, popcorn, laughs, perfect fun.
Perfect balance, Jenny. Free time and friends make the day special. Recharge energy, reduce stress.
Yes, Sam. Now, evening routine, after fun time.
Around 7 p.m., evening walk for fresh air, then dinner with family or friends, pasta or stir-fry veggies, sometimes more chat and laugh.
Sounds lively, Sam. I finish around 7, dinner with family, rice, sabzi, roti. Home food best.
Home food wins. After dinner?
Read book or motivational video, 30 minutes. Prepare next day. Plan blog ideas. Bedtime around 11 p.m.
Me too, around 11:30. Brush teeth, set alarm, crash. Crash means fall asleep fast.
Sam, crash. Funny word. Any funny moments in routine or fun?
Oh yes, put salt in coffee instead of sugar. Ugh, spat it out.
Salt coffee disaster. Disaster means big mess. Example, forgot keys. Total disaster.
Another, talk to echo like person. Good morning, he said. Hello, confuse me.
Mine wore different shoes. One black, one blue. Oops.
Classic, Jenny. Mistakes make us laugh.
Yes, listeners, share your funny routine or fun stories in the comments.
Full day covered. Wake up, morning, work, lunch, free time, hang out with friends, fun, evening, dinner, bedtime.
Key phrases, in my free time, I hang out with friends, we have fun by.
Use simple present. I hang out with friends on weekends. We play games and laugh.
Practice now. Comment your routine plus free time fun. I wake up at, in free time, I.
Don't be shy. Start small. Speak confidently.
Super fun episode, Sam. Time flew.
If this helped, subscribe to our channel.
Like, share, spread the podcast.
Today's challenge, write or record your daily routine plus free time fun. 8 to 12 sentences. We'll cheer.
Keep practicing, keep rising. See you next.
Bye, everyone. Make tomorrow full of fun.
Bye, Sam.
Bye, Jenny.